So now what we're going to do is get into the charging, evacuation and charging in the unit. So this is your evacuation and or charging port, I should say. So we're going to take that cap off. On this particular model, it needs an adapter because they use a bit of a specific thread to charge and to evacuate this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and thread that adapter on there right now prior to installing the hose. So then what we'll do is we'll take our refrigeration hose, put that on there, and then we'll connect it to the top half of the pump. If you have refrigeration gauges, you'll have a gauge which you can monitor this, but there is a way to do this, as I'm going to demonstrate, without having to buy an expensive set of gauges that are going to end up sitting in the closet and never be used again. So what we're going to do, we've got this connected, they're both tight, that one's on. I'm going to turn on the evacuator pump. You're going to hear it gurgle, and eventually it's going to make some steam, and it'll change its noise completely and get almost silent when the evacuation is complete. Normally it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes as your ideal evacuation time, and then we'll get into the charging part of it. So I'm going to turn that on. That's the gurgle you hear, and you'll see the steam. That's all the moisture and everything in the lines. And eventually that steam, moisture, and that gurgling noise will end up silencing itself. And that should take about 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll come back when 20 minutes is up.